Back to another Walkaround Wednesday, and if you swipe around, you can guess where I'm at. If you don't, it's the Bellagio. And on Friday, which was September 18th, they opened up their new Conservatory exhibit, or Bellagio Garden exhibit, for autumn. So we're going to do a 360 walk. It shouldn't be a long one. And to my buddy Mark, the other me, this one will be a quick lunchtime view for you. So I appreciate you watching my 360 walks at lunchtime. So if you're new to the channel and you like 360 walks, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. Now let's get started with today's 360 walk around. And a big shout out to all of you new subscribers and to my loyal subscribers. 2 weeks ago at the Caesars Forum shop, I was at 502 subs. And today I looked, I think I was at 635. So in 2 weeks I jumped 133. So I thank you, I appreciate it, especially helping me support this channel. Now let's get started with today's walk. Built on the former site of the Dunes Hotel and Golf Course that was demolished in October 1993, the Bellagio Resort was developed by Las Vegas resort visionary Steve Wynn and designed to resemble the Italian village of Bellagio that sits on the shores of Lake Como. The Bellagio Resort opened in October of 1998 at an original estimated cost of $1.6 billion and took 5 years to complete. In addition to the meticulous attention to detail in its design and theming, the resort has two main attractions, the Fountains of Bellagio and the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. The Bellagio and the Venetian are my two favorite resorts on the Strip, so if you have a favorite, leave me a comment down below. As you enter the lobby, if you swipe up, you'll see the Fiori di Como sculpture. The sculpture consists of over 2,000 hand-blown glass flowers that take up 2,100 square feet of the lobby ceiling. The sculpture itself weighs in at 40,000 pounds and costs $10 million to create. The Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden occupies 14,000 square feet of space and is maintained by 120 horticultural staff. The best part of the Conservatory and Botanical Garden is that it's free, and it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, except for when they prepare for the next display. As I've mentioned in my previous Bellagio videos, the only time I wouldn't recommend visiting the gardens is in the early morning when they perform their daily maintenance. This year's theme for autumn is called Into the Woods, which is highlighted by a magical forest with fairies and floral creatures. This exhibit will run through Thanksgiving. As you enter the Bellagio Conservatory, you will find yourself transported to the center of a forest featuring floral mushrooms, a canopy of oversized oak leaves, festive foliage, and beautiful dragonflies dancing overhead. If you swipe to the left, you will see the family of foxes playing in the forest next to a waterfall and beneath a magnificent floral embellished hand-hewn treehouse with colorful stained glass dragonfly windows. According to MGM, the dragonfly is a symbol of transformation and adaptability. If you look real closely at the bow of the ship, you will see a dragonfly leading the way. The sailboat is 20 feet long and the oak sail is 20 feet tall by 15 feet wide. And coming up on the left is a 38-foot treehouse with Tiffany-inspired stained glass windows and over 180 feet of handmade floral garland. Then we come to the Fairy House with its dragonfly stained glass windows and sunflowers for the roof. This year's walkthrough section is of a giant oak stump with a spring in the center symbolizing its rebirth. As you exit the treehouse, you will be greeted by the bear family and a giant honey pot. A returning piece to the autumn display is the enchanted tree, who welcomes all garden visitors.
Welcome to Bellagio.
Throughout the display, there are placards next to each squash or pumpkin showing its weight. I believe I saw one that was 728 pounds. According to a Bellagio spokesperson, Into the Woods is filled with inspirations of transformation, reflection, and empowerment told through magnificent floral creations. The fall display has been months in the making, from conceptualization and design, and has been brought to life by the extraordinary horticultural team. Even though you might think you're done, Actually, if you walk by the entrance again, you can head towards the restaurant and you can see the backside of the exhibit. So that's what we're gonna do right now. One thing I have noticed with this display as opposed to the others, there isn't a lot of music. I think earlier this year when it was the spring and the summer with the Hello Kitty, there was music all over the place and you couldn't even hear yourself. This time it's not that bad. All right, Las Vegas and Beyonders, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I know it was a quick walk around the Bellagio Conservatory's new Autumn exhibit, but if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next Walkaround Wednesday. I'm heading over to my favorite chocolate store here at the Bellagio. Not to buy anything, but just to look because I love their chocolate fountain. I love all the fingerprints that you can see.